Hello, in this video I am going to present you the improvements that have been made to Avalon Offshore in the new version 5.3.2. We have further automated the connection and the download of weather data via the Iridium Go, as we discovered that some users were not waiting for the internet connection to be fully established before starting the download. We have also added the possibility to export a grid to other navigation systems such as Adrena, OpenCPN or Expedition, as some of our users are using in the same time both Avalon in complement to another navigation system. And we have added for people that are doing offshore races the possibility to import their competitors' position. From version 5.3.2, the control of the Iridium is now 100% done from within the weather routing module. The old menu that was used previously is now only used to modify the Iridium credential in case you are not using the default credentials that are guest and guest. Let's now take an example. I am sailing from here to Menorca Island, and I want to take an intermediate weather forecast in the middle of the cruise. The selected weather source is high definition ARPEG. The system tells me that it will take 640 kilobytes to download, which is over 1 hour of Iridium connection time. Now I discover, of course, that I made a mistake on the source and I selected standard ARPEG instead of specially compressed for Iridium ARPEG. So I go back in the weather sources and I change my source to ARPEG Iridium. Before I launch the route calculation again, I check that my tablet is still connected to the Iridium Wi-Fi network. I can now come back to Avalon to launch the route calculation again, and from now on everything will be controlled from Avalon. Avalon will initiate an internet connection request, but it has to wait until internet is fully connected before starting to download the data. In the previous release, some users were not waiting for internet to be fully connected, and this was creating some error messages telling that internet was not accessible. Once internet is connected, the system will tell you how much data needs to be downloaded. In this case, because we use a weather source that is specifically compressed for satellite transmission, and we have reduced the volume of data for 630K to 32K. The download starts. I have to tell you that in case the connection with the satellite is lost, then you have nothing to do because Avalon will wait for the next satellite to be over your boat and it will restart the transmission exactly at the point where this connection previously broke. So I leave the download to get completed. You can proceed a little bit forward this video by using the slide bar at the bottom of your screen, if you wish. We also recommend that you add to your Iridium an external antenna because we believe that it will reduce the number of satellite connection losses and also improve the quality of the signal. once the data is fully downloaded, then the route calculation will be done as usual at the same speed as if you were with a Wi-Fi or 4G connection, and you get all the stats, the route description, the dashboard, etc., etc. Some of our customers are also using Avalon on top of another navigation system, such as OpenCPN, Adrena, or Expedition. We have added an option to this new version so that they can do that. To do that, you just need to go to the folder menu. You will find an option which is Export Wind as Grip2. You click on it, and a file containing the winds under Grip2 format will be extracted from Avalon and ready to be imported in the other navigation system. Some Avalon users are also doing offshore races, and they have asked us if it was possible to receive their competitors' position during the race. So they usually receive that via email. So this is the way you receive the email. You copy into Avalon, and then you will see the position of your competitors on the map. We have now reached the end of this long video. Thank you for your attention. I hope that you will find Avalon more and more intuitive and easy to use. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel